Can I get my food back? Because guess what? Your food's here now.
Here, baby.
So Aiden, look here. So where are we going?
Oh, Daddy! It's Tai Fung. I want to eat dumplings!
Yes, you are. So we're bringing Auntie Els to Din Tai Fung so that...
I want to eat dumplings, Auntie Els.
Have you ever been here?
Not yet, in Taiwan.
Yeah.
Taiwan?
So Aiden, we went to the Din Tai Fung in Taiwan and it was...
Yummy!
It was amazing. So we're trying out the Din Tai Fung in Costa Mesa. So, yay! You excited, Aiden?
Yes. Me and Auntie Els eat dumplings. Oh,
Yeah, we like dumplings.
That's right.
Where's the
Fun stuff. So the Din Tai Fung. Let me hold your paper for you. So Aiden was learning his lines today. You're gonna keep practicing them? What kind of dance is that?
I'm excited dance.
Okay. So the Din Tai Fung here is at the mall. And look at that, the line is so long on the weekends. Ready to eat?
I'm ready to start.
Silly Aiden. Go, go, go. They're waiting for you. You're up next. Hey, Aiden, you gotta give your name. Well, I told Karen, actually. It's under, well, it's under Karen. Yes, for 3. 1, 2, 3. Sorry? She's like, wait an hour. Okay, so this is right here. So this is a check-in line. Aiden, you're way too excited about this place.
Because I love dumplings.
I'm just like you.
You heard that? She loves dumplings too. After 2 hours of waiting, I'm about to, we can't wait. I'm so hungry. Karen.
For 3 today?
Yes, for 3.
Would you like to dine inside or first available today?
First available, but we would prefer to sit outside because the lighting looks good. Yeah, but first available, yeah.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
Remember the wait time was the same in Taiwan?
Yes.
The line was really long.
Yes. And look,
Yes.
that's the dumpling I got.
That is a dumpling you got,
And
right?
that's the sticker I got.
No, the keychain. Yeah, the sticker and the keychain. Yeah, so it's actually originated in Taiwan, and the waiting time is like long too. Remember we waited for a long time?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's going to take like 10 to 15 minutes until we get on the patio outside.
Okay, that's okay. Yeah, we'll wait. So we just wait right here, right?
Anywhere for the last minutes and
Awesome. Thank you. All right, come on, let's go sit down and wait.
Where do we wait? Where do we wait?
Wow, this is a waiting area. It's so packed. Like I don't even understand. Like where are you supposed to actually sit?
At least you get to watch
Look at this.
people making live
Yes.
dumplings.
See how I can't see anything.
Okay. Can you see from here? You can't see from here? Ask Auntie Els to pick you up. Okay, come this way. You can see over here.
Oh, right here. You can draw this apple. Whoa.
Does it look like the same in Taiwan?
Yes, I see how they make it.
So basically that's all they do here is make dumplings all day long. Because that's what people order here, is dumplings, yeah. They're so good too.
Wow, I wonder what kind of meat that is.
Pork.
I don't know about all that.
That's yummy dumplings.
Aiden, what's going on with you?
I get something. I can totally smell it.
So we're supposed to be waiting here, but look, it's like packed. There's no place to like wait.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
Move your butt from there. I know you're not sitting there. Aiden, can you open the dumpling stuff and get some dumplings out? Trick shot, it doesn't open. Awesome, thank you. Get in, baby.
Remember what the instructions told us at the other dumpling place? Put the stuff on here and get the dumpling from here. Then eat it. Like,
What about making a hole and the dumpling so the soup comes out?
yeah, that's what you do.
Yeah.
With the chopstick.
That's right. So,
Yeah, like that.
yeah, because you have to eat it a certain way. You can't. So there's this paper card. Wait, there's a paper card, and you have to order, check whatever you
There's
want to eat.
even Chinese and English.
Right, you have to check whatever you want to eat on
check
here.
what I want to eat.
We're doing good, thanks.
3 waters okay to start off with?
Yes, please, 3 waters, thank you.
What's this thing called?
What is a steamed dumpling?
Steamed cod.
Here's the menu, guys, so you can look at the menu. You can look at the pictures. Aiden, you already know all this stuff on this menu. It's the same menu in Taiwan. Yep. It is the same menu that they have in Taiwan. Oh, that's a green one? Oh, I thought it doesn't look green.
Yeah, that doesn't look green.
Thank you.
Oh, the green milk tea, it's always like that color. Oh. Yeah, I don't know how to explain it.
That's okay.
Green milk tea is always like it.
Yeah, that's okay. Thank you. What straw do you want?
Yellow. Because yellow is my favorite.
Purple?
Yep.
I like purple.
Crown chakra.
I don't know what that means, but okay. So this is yours. Actually, Els, you got the green tea.
Yeah,
And this is mine. So while we're waiting for food, Aiden's working on... What are you working on, Aiden? Let me see. Show me the front of your book. This way, like this. 2nd grade geography. Good job.
you were close. But don't forget, it's not 2 ends.
It's one end?
Yeah.
Okay. Deep
And
right.
right here.
Thank you.
Hold the bowl and listen to
Now
Thank
can
you.
the other one.
Braised beef noodle soup.
Noodles and spicy, my favorite.
It is your favorite?
Can I taste them, Mom?
Yeah, you can have some. Are you finished with your work? Almost. I have your chopsticks right here.
Taste it from the grill.
Yes, Els, that's you.
Gorilla.
Yeah, thank you. That looks good too.
This is the gorilla.
Are you done with it now?
Yes.
Okay, so Aiden's done with this book. Let me have your book. Let me have your book, Aiden, so you can eat. Yeah, good. I see it. Put it away now. Here. Be careful because the bowl is really hot, okay? Don't get burned. Did you get your chopsticks?
Hot, hot.
Els, what do you think about it?
And even
About the food, silly.
It tastes good, but I know
Okay.
How's everything so far?
it's pretty good.
Thank you. Sorry, Aiden, I forgot your chopsticks. Do you remember how to use those ones? What do you think?
good.
Can I get my food back? Because guess what? Your food's here now. Okay, okay, you can eat my food then. But look, your food's here now. Look, you ordered 2 of them. Remember?
Living his life.
He's living his life. Thank you. Very hot, son. You've got 1 and you've got 2. No, on top is better, please. Yeah, on top. Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you.
What? Hey, but that button.
So Aiden, look. So you have my soup, and then now you have your bao long bao. So what do I get to eat now?
Some of my noodles.
He said some of my, but they're my noodles. Aiden. He said I can eat some of his noodles, but they're my noodles. Oh, sorry. Okay, so. Oh, is it recording? Can you see me?
Yeah.
So maybe I'll eat at some point. I don't know. I'm gonna get started with this since Aiden eat these. Then you need to switch. You need to put the bowl over here and then eat some dumplings before they get cold. You ready? You ready for dumplings? Here, soy sauce, vinegar. Oh. Okay, that's enough. Soy sauce. That's enough. All right. Where's your chopstick? Take it out.
They don't make them really good. Because all straight that and black.
Aiden, don't burst it. Do you need help getting it? You got it? But look, you're dripping all the good water. Leave it. Leave this one alone.
But remember,
Let me grab it for you.
To poke it before you
No,
do
but you
that.
poke it in the spoon. You're supposed to poke it in here. So you don't lose your soup. There you go. You mix soy sauce and vinegar. I'm surprised they don't have the card here. They actually have a card that shows you how to make it and how to eat it. And then you're supposed to put, let me help you. Hold on, let me help you, Aiden. Wait. You dip this in here like this. And then you put it back. You're supposed to drink the soup first. That's too big. Put it back in the spoon. Silly. Papa, you're supposed to drink the soup first and then bite the side. Okay. Use your chopsticks to bite it. Right here. Let me hold it for you. Bite it. Bite. There you go. Oh, wow. Aiden is so... How was that? Okay.
You better try that, NDO.
I've never had those. It's gonna be my first time.
They eat that, it's your first time. It's so yummy.
Yeah, I've had the packet ones, you know, so it's tempting me
Those are the fake ones.
to try the originals.
Wow, Aiden, you're swallowing this. I'm gonna try it. Oh, God, it's so good. Just like I remember.
Yeah, I just don't remember.
How about it's food in your mouth? You can't try to food in your mouth.
What is this?
Here. Aiden. Okay, there you go. What are you doing? How do you take a picture of your food? How do you take a picture of your food when you're already done eating the food?
Mom,
Yeah.
did you know on Nana's tablet Nana downloaded Chinese recipe and her dumplings?
Tiny what?
Chinese recipes and her dumplings. And when you put it in spicy sauce,
This is not pork.
Mom,
This is
Mom,
meat, yes.
Mom,
I just tasted it, I remember.
Mom, when you put it into spicy sauce,
Do you want some spicy sauce?
spicy sauce, somebody go like, they spit fire out, they'll turn around like,
Aiden, look, this is spicy sauce. You want some? Look at that. Red, hot spicy. Where?
No, that's a lot. What is that?
You asked for spicy. Okay, I'll eat this one. It's actually not that spicy. Did you put equal amounts of both? We're actually supposed to put it like way back because it makes Japanese meat is good or bad?
I'm confused. I'm trying to figure out what this is.
Girl, you know that's good.
Yeah, it's good, but the pepper is not spicy.
Oh, that's right. Because we put like the hot pepper.
I'm waiting for it to hit.
It's not that spicy, but this food is good. It's really good. What do you want? Your drink? Can you use your words? Sure.
I need something sour.
Let's not see the food in your mouth, Aiden. You already don't have teeth. So we're done eating. As you can see, we ate everything, right? How was the food, Aiden? Hey, Alice, how was the food?
Good.
Everything's done, and that's our bill. So it was only 3 of us, and look at that, 74 bucks. That's all we ordered. Not bad. Awesome.